Hey first grade friends, so for today's number talk, we're going to review counting with our fingers the first grade way, and we're also going to practice playing happy counting. So to review, counting with your fingers the first grade way is we always start from left to right and we go in order. So let's practice counting to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's practice going backwards. We're going to start at 10 and we're going to go down to 0. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Great job. So what I wanted to share with you really quickly is some of you may wonder, why are we doing counting by ones, Mrs. Decker, all the way up to 10 and then down? It's because I want you to see in your mind, you're going to be making some connections in your brain about number bonds, just seeing your numbers on your fingers. For example, if I showed you this number the first grade way, can you say it fast? Do you know how much it is without even having to count them? What you might be doing is doing a really cool mathematic idea called subitizing. Subitizing, that's a huge word, and that means that we're doing some really, really special math work. So when I show you this, and if you said 7, Mrs. Decker, well, that's super fast. You didn't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you might need to right now, but those of you who knew it right away, you were probably subitizing. And what subitizing means is that you're seeing parts that make up a number. So you knew my hand has 5, and you counted on 2. So in your brain, you were thinking 5, 6, 7. 5 and 2 is 7. That's one part and another part making 7. Take a look at this one. If you see a 5 and you count on 6, 7, 8, 9, you have just subitized. You were able to see some parts in the hole that I showed you without having to count each and every one of them. We're going to keep practicing this so that your math mind and your subitizing mind will get stronger and stronger. Now let's do some happy counting. So with happy counting, what we're going to do is we start at a number that I'll tell you, and I'm going to either put my thumb up, which means you need to add one more. I might do this, which means hold on to that number in your brain because I'm going to start to go down. And then if I do have my thumb go down, that means we're going to count down by 1. So if I asked you to start, watch Mrs. Decker. Eyes on me? Okay. So if we start at the number 7, think in your head, 7. Watch me carefully, and I want you to be thinking what the number is going to be. 7. Where did I stop? If you said 9, you were right. I started at 7. I jumped up once to get to 8, and I jumped up again, which would have gotten me to 9. And then I paused. Let's try another one. Ready? This time I'm going to start at 3. Where did I land? If you said 6, you're right. I started at 3 and I jumped up 4, 5, 6, and I asked you to stop. So, boys and girls, I want you to practice this with your teacher. Now, if you want a real challenge with your families at home, maybe you want to start at a really big number like 17. Maybe you'll say 17. Did you say 19? That's really, really tricky. So that's an idea of a way that you can use happy counting in your house. I challenge you to play it a couple times, and maybe You can even throw in a counting down while you're at it. All right, we'll see you tomorrow for Number Talks. Have a great day. Bye.